Okay, this is a posting tool that's going to allow you to post ads onto Backpage.com. And as you can see here, I don't know, maybe you're familiar with Backpage, maybe you're not, but there's somewhere between 150 and 200 different cities here that you can be posting to in North America. And that's not even including, there's another column over here on the far right hand side. They're adding new cities constantly, and you can post to every single one of these cities to your heart's content. Let me show you how the software works. Now, this is what the software looks like. There's basically two parts to it. There's a part where you put your ads, and there's a part where you put your cities. Okay, so I'm going to give you just basically an overview here, and then you can click the link and go to another site, and I'm going to give you a more depth demonstration. But here's the way it works. There's the main section where you do your posting, that's this right here, and there's the ad editor. So let's go to the ad editor, and here's where you put your ads. Down here is where you name your ad. Over here is where you save your ad. And over here, this is where all of your ads are located that you type into your system. Over here is where you put your email address, because as you post your ads, you have to go to your email address and you have to click a link from Backpage to activate your ads. And then here's the list of cities that I'll be posting to: Hartford, Honolulu, Houston, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Minneapolis, New Jersey, East Bay in the San Francisco area, Orlando, Phoenix, Pittsburgh, Portland, Salt Lake City, San Diego, San Francisco, what else we got here? Albuquerque, Atlanta, Austin, Boston, Charlotte, San Jose, Seattle, St. Louis, Tampa, Washington, D.C., Toronto, Chicago, Dallas, and Denver. You can be posting to any one of these cities over here. Absolutely any one of these cities. This just happens to be the file that I've got uploaded in this batch right here. Okay, so now we're going to do a demonstration, but I wanted a posting demonstration, but I wanted to show you why I never get my ads bumped or flagged. Okay, it's very simple. We just go to the ad editor, and here's the way it works. Okay. This is the subject, that's your ad headline, and this is your ad body copy, okay? You can leave your subject line the same except for the very first or second word. The first or second word in each of your ads should be different. The rest of it can be completely the same. If your first or second word are the same from one ad to the next, then they're going to simply bump your ad. You're going to get it flagged and they won't let it go on. But if you just change the first word, then you're going to see it's really pretty amazing. Now watch. Now, I'm going to show you how I change the first sentences around, the first words around. Watch. This what I'm doing is I also use this system to post ads on the Backpage for iBuzz Pro. iBuzz Pro is an automated phone messaging system which costs about $600 to purchase, plus 3.9 cents a minute when you send out phone messages. Okay, this tool that you're looking at here is a $50 little wonder, so you can be posting ads online for $50. But I use the same tool to market my iBuzz Pro business. So watch. Okay, the ad is an automated phone messaging tool. Okay, now here's the second ad. Automated phone messaging. It's pretty much the same, there's just a little bit of difference here. And then the third ad is bold new phone messaging. So you can see the ad copy in here stayed the same, and the headline for the most part is pretty similar. It just changes a little bit, and I do that when I set this up. So once you have your ads set up, they appear right over here in this column, and here are the cities. So when you're ready to post, now I'll have you watch this very carefully. I'm going to only post to maybe 4 or 5 cities. You're going to get the basic idea. It's the same thing from one city to the next. You just click post, and then you're going to watch it go through the process. The only thing you have to do is put in a security code at the end of each post, and you'll notice on the posting it'll say your ad is not activated yet. It's because after you finish your posting, you go to your email address and you click the link from Backpage to activate your ad, and then usually about 30 minutes later it'll show up on Backpage, and it'll stay there for roughly anywhere between 60 and 90 days. It'll stay in Backpage. Okay, so we're ready to post, and you're going to notice that it's going to start at the first ad and go down through, and it's going to start the first city and go down through. The first city is Hartford, then it goes to Honolulu, Houston, and Las Vegas. And when you're ready to post, you just click post. It's going to go very fast. So here we go. Watch this, okay? It's in Hartford. It's going to go through Hartford. It comes to the bottom. You put in a security code. Okay? You click place ad now. It's going to go finish up in Hartford, and then it's going to go to Honolulu. See, Hartford finishes, then it's going to go to Honolulu. I'm going to check to go to the city of Honolulu. It's going to go down through the ads, and then it's going to go bring me right to the place where you put in the code again. ALCE DU. That could be wrong. If it's wrong, it'll tell me. See, it's an O. ANBA. I'm purposely leaving this in the video so that you can see. If you make a mistake, it's not a big deal. ANBA, place ad. Okay, now it's going to go through Honolulu, finish Honolulu, and now it's going to go to Houston. See that? It's going to go down there, then we put in the code again, STERI. Okay, place ad now. It's going to finish up in Houston, and it's going to go to Las Vegas. Houston finishes up in Houston, go to Las Vegas, put the new ad in there, and it's going to bring me again to the code. See that? You can't get any easier than that, right? Okay? And then place ad now, and it's going to go through the whole thing again. It's going to go through Las Vegas, and then it's going to go into Los Angeles. I choose to pick Los Angeles. It's going to go put the ad in here, bring it to the bottom, and it's going to put the code in again. See, that's all there is to it. And you notice over here, it went through these messages. See that? And then it went through these cities, and now we're at Los Angeles. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. How long did that take me to post those 4 or 5 cities? It took me exactly 2 minutes, because I'm looking at my video, my timer on my video here, and that was talking you through it. And so, you know, it's basically 2 ads a minute. Is basically what it is. That's what it takes me, about 2 ads a minute. You may be even a little bit faster if you hire a family member or a kid down the street. They may be able to do it, you know, in 15 seconds if they're faster than I am. I'm an old guy. So anyway, that's how it works. See, and here's the email from Backpage. You just simply go to the link here that they've given you. You click the link, okay? And it's going to show you that you're all done. Now you can, if you keep this, you can go back in any time over the next 60 to 90 days. You can edit your ad. You can do anything you want. But that's basically all it is. All I do is just go and activate my links, and then my ads are live. Now you see up here it says Reminder News. This is for Hartford. Backpage actually is the provider of classified ad, the mechanics of classified ad sites for many, many newspapers all over the country. So you also appear in those newspapers, I believe. I'm not really sure, but that's what that means. And you'll see there's probably maybe 20 or 25% of the ads that you post to in certain cities have names like this. Because like I said, in the Hartford area where I'm posting here, that's a local newspaper, and Backpage provides the back office for their classified ad system for that newspaper. So that's what that means. And you can see a few minutes later that now my ad has been activated. There's the ad that you saw me post. There it is right there. Now one thing I want to mention to you, if you're in an organization or an opportunity or a business or whatever, where they give you banners, you can also do this so that you have banners in your ad. So when they click the link, they'll go to a banner ad, and it's very easy to do, is just copying and pasting the code right into the ad editor area. That's all there is to it.